Welcome to Qvistorp Growth, a corporate platform for growth planning. In our last video, we presented how to define the business case charter for your new initiative and its initial life cycle. Today, we'll focus on economics and show you a step-by-step process of creating a P&L structure for your new venture. Once your new products or services life cycle and stage gate structure are defined, you can plan your development expenditures. Our system allows you to add any expenditure item easily, define its amortization, and include its residual value if applicable. Expenditure Summary will enhance your understanding of the total project cost. You'll also clearly see the distinction between internal and external spendings and the overall expenditure structure. The system will also let you know what part of your overall costs has already been incurred. An example of a project cost item might be the know-how we absorbed to improve the technology required to develop our new product or service. In our case, we spent €250,000 in total, and the cost is spread over 2 quarters. Qvistorp Growth usually comes with the predefined templates, making the analysis a lot easier and efficient. Now let's see how to create a profit and loss structure for your business case. In the P&L section, you can plan your new venture's cost and benefit structure and evaluate your cash flows. If your new initiative is similar to another one you have previously analyzed, you'll probably find a relevant template in your organization. Qvistorp Growth can easily incorporate its structure so that you never have to worry about missing a P&L component again. Moreover, all relevant data is always up to date, thanks to native integration with the macro data layer, ensuring the highest possible level of automation and integration. Sometimes you only have to verify the forecasted sales volumes or expected market share percentage. We call this a sandbox environment type, which guarantees the highest possible data integrity and security. At the same time, however, Qvistorp Growth is flexible enough to let you build your new profit and loss structure entirely from scratch. Our system can successfully model even the most sophisticated economic models. Thanks to its intuitive and logical components, you can be assured that everyone in your organization will have no problems with the correct interpretation of your business logic. Our example shows a new product development business case that assumes an intelligent homes device production and related subscription-based services. The cash streams are divided into 2 main components, with additional subcomponents. If you identify a common P&L variable, you can easily reuse it in other initiatives by defining it in the macro data layer. A small icon next to the variable informs you that its value is pulled from the macro layer, the central database for such shared assumptions. Changing this value in the macro layer will trigger an automatic update in all associated projects. Moreover, you may also use various labels while defining specific variables to create detailed summaries for different focus groups. From an accounting perspective, we might want to see net revenues and the cost of goods sold. At the same time, we might distinguish sales, production expenses, and labor costs in the business summary. It's entirely up to you which elements you would like to highlight here. Last but not least, our platform allows defining a weighted average cost of capital, or WACC for short. You can calculate your WACC using a build-up method or enter its value manually. Our next video will present the executive dashboard and elaborate more on monitoring your business case's evolution to ensure benefits realization. We'll also show you various tools and methods to help you stress test your assumptions to the limit.